Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset MSI Afterburner to its default settings. So, if you've messed around with fan speeds, temperature settings, or any other tweaks, and you want to go back to the original settings, this is the video for you. Alright, so the first thing you can do if you just want to reset some specific settings like your fan speed or temperature is super easy. All you have to do is click the reset button right here. Or you can press this button on the interface, and that will restore your settings to default. Simple, right? But if you want to completely reset MSI Afterburner to its factory settings, like if you have multiple profiles or you want to start fresh, here's what you need to do. First, close MSI Afterburner completely. And I mean completely. Go into your task manager and make sure MSI Afterburner isn't running in the background. You don't want any processes still active. Then, right-click on the MSI Afterburner shortcut and choose Open File Location. This is going to open up the folder where MSI Afterburner is installed. Now, inside this folder, you'll find a folder called Profiles. You have two options here. You can either delete this folder completely if you don't want to save any profiles, or if you want to keep them for later, just rename it. For example, I'll add a letter at the end of the name so it doesn't get picked up by the program. You can always rename it back later if needed. Once that's done, go ahead and restart MSI Afterburner, and when it opens up again, it will be back to its default settings. That's as easy as that.